While that scares many people, it's really much simpler than it seems, and if you do it right, there's no risk at all. First of all, to avoid any electrical problems and errors popping up on your dashboard, you need to disconnect the battery. Start with the negative terminal. Loosen the nut securing the cable with a wrench, lift the cable off the battery post and set it aside. Repeat the same with the positive terminal, and make sure the cables don't touch each other. That's for the safety of your car's electronics. Wait a few minutes until all the residual currents dissipate. It's now perfectly safe to disconnect the airbag's electrical connectors. Unclip the airbag. In this car, you need to release the springs holding the airbag. It's similar on most vehicles. However, make sure to check with your local mechanic for details if you're not sure how to accomplish this in your specific vehicle. Push a small Allen wrench through the holes in the rear of the steering wheel bezel, one on each side, and locate the spring with the tip of the wrench. Press the spring towards the center and the airbag will partially pop off. If it does not, you may need to pull it a little. Hold the airbag in one hand and press the spring on the other side and the airbag pops off. Disconnect the airbag. There are two connectors at the back, secured with small locking clips. Again, on your car it might be different, but it will be obvious at this point what to do. Lift the clips with a small flathead screwdriver, pinch the connectors to release the small locks on the sides, and pull to disconnect the cables. Put the airbag aside and release the locking nut with a suitable wrench. Then pull the steering wheel off. In this Corvette, you don't need a steering wheel puller. In other cars, you might. Wiggle the steering wheel a little and it should come off. If it does not, you may need to hit it with your palm repeatedly sometimes, but don't worry. You will not bend or damage your steering wheel this way.